The Lexus RX 350 key fob uses a standard CR232 battery. To replace it, first ensure your vehicle is off and you're working in a clean, well-lit area. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam between the front and back halves of the fob. Gently twist to separate the case. Some models from 2019-2023 have a small screw on the back that needs to be removed first. Once open, pop out the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is up. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing the circuit board. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together, ensuring they are securely closed. If there was a screw, replace it. Test the key fob by pressing the buttons to confirm the LED lights illuminate and that the lock-unlock functions work on your vehicle. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the battery is new. Test with a multimeter for approximately 3 volts. If issues persist, there may be corrosion on the contacts or a software glitch. Try cycling the vehicle's ignition to sync the fob. Consider recycling the old battery in compliance with e-waste regulations.